translocator incoming. Move fast and kill faster.
Get them rockets, boys. And we didn't get them, did we? No, we did not. Probably not.
Better them than us.
Not looking good for the home team, eh?
Shooting, Spartan. Down, and not getting up. Good old-fashioned takedown.
Thank you.
Oh, thank heavens. The long-range weapon. Power items incoming. Power items
That's
have
getting
arrived.
good for sure.
That right there is why I picked you. Shooting, Spartan.
Gained the lead.
You almost got three-shotted, four-shotted, boy.
Good old-fashioned takedown.
We killed each other at the same time. God.
Grab that S7 sniper.
Better go this way.
Oh, thank heavens. The long-range weapon.
Damn, dude, on my X right there, dudes.
You make those bullets sing, Spartan. Power items, go.
Is he in there or what? Oh shit. Good. 15 and 6. Hey, dude that's 2 and 7, the other dude's 1 and 8. Hey, stick with me, broskies, or just crouch a little bit. We'll make this happen. I got your back. They're coming up to you.
The lead. Halfway to
bugs.
victory.
What's up, big dog?
That ain't.
No, good aim on my part. Oh, I'm so nasty. Oh,
Triple
give me a
kill.
triple kill, boy. Get on my lobo. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Oh, Rex.
That was terrifying to watch.
Killing spree.
Power items on the way.
Still do go. Spank her up.
Power items on the field. You make those bullets sing, Spartan.
Kill himself. Where rockets go?
Clearing victory.
I'm destroying these boys. Now, this is illegal in most cities. Get out of here, son.
No, they are not okay.
5 minutes remaining.
Lucky bitch. Oh, dude, you're so lucky, bro. 25 and 8, I'll take. At this point, I want you to try out VRB, to be honest. Y'all have not got me once. And he's running, yep, I'd run too. Oops! Cracked again, like I said. Can't touch me. Might call me MC Hammer, you know what I'm saying? Dead again.
Power items incoming. Power items on the field.
Wow!
Shooting, Spartan.
Hey, button! Hey! Alright. I'm gonna get 29. Ready?
Victory.
Nope. Didn't have a chance, because we fucking won that shit! And I made $80 on the Bitcoin trade. Closed it out. It was too volatile, couldn't watch it. Hey dog, did I do 7,000 damage? Did I fucking break it or what? 52% accuracy, almost weird, dude. What happened? I don't even know if that's good or not, to be